Ho, 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 what's up? It's your number one wingman, Garrick Dixon, because I assist you fellas to help you get more ladies. Now, it's the holiday season, and as you can see, I'm in the mood, and so I want to give back to you. I want to say, first of all, thank you, because a lot of you guys have been ordering the foil shavers. You've been watching my videos, and you've seen how they work, and you're buying them and you're using them. So what I want to do is show you how to clean your foil shavers. Now you might ask, why should you clean your foil shavers? I think the answer is pretty obvious. So they can work and they can cut your hair better. Cleaning your foil shaver is real easy. I'm gonna show you the best two ways to clean your shaver. The first way of cleaning them is to use a brush. And you always want to use a brush with soft bristles because the foil shaver is sensitive and you don't want to mess it up. First thing you want to do when you're cleaning your foil shaver is you have to take the shaver part off. And that's real easy to do. You see this button right here on the side? You just move it down and take it off. It's that simple. I'll show y'all again. And this is how you put it back on. You just move it down and take it right off. Now, we want to clean that. There is dirt in here. If you're using your shaver a lot, it's going to have some dirt buildup. Now, the first way, which is the easiest way, is to just take a brush. Take your soft brush, and you want to clean this right in here. And you can easily take your brush and move it sideways and just clean it like that. The reason you don't want to use a hard brush because it could damage them. Like you don't really want to use this type of brush. You want to use a softer one because you don't want to damage the razors. Just go like this and clean it. And you can also take these off to give it a deeper cleaning. How you take it off is you just grab it, don't be afraid, and just pull it off. And it comes off that easy. Now you can take your razor and really clean it good. You want to clean it all inside out. Now what I'm doing is cleaning this thing real nice. Notice how you can see in there. Get the bottom part. Sometimes I'll even blow in it. Getting all that dirt out. Because you don't need that dirt because this helps cut your hair. Then you simply, you line it up with this metal piece right here. You line it up. Let me show you. Clean this out a little bit more. You see there's a line right here. You just take this silver line, put it right here, attach it on. Now it's back on. Now you're good to go. You want to make sure with top foil part, you clean this as well. You have to be real sensitive on this part because these can break easy. And once these break, then you have to buy a replacement because it'll snag your hairs. So you want to use a soft brush. Then you just grab your top, line it up, the circle. Just put it back on. Now you're back in the game. Now you're good to go. Now the second way you could clean them is with your airbrush, the electronic airbrush. This is a nice one. I charge it up and I use it to clean everything. I use it to clean the floor sometimes. I use it to clean a lot of stuff, keyboards. And so this is real easy and it lets out a lot of air. It just clean, and this allows you to get all up in there. You want to clean the blades. This gets a lot of the dust off, gets a lot of the dirt off, and that's how you clean your foil shaver. One of the things I want to stress, do not, absolutely not, Do not use clipper oil on your foil shavers. Once again, do not use clipper oil on your foil shavers. So don't take your top off and put oil in them. That's a no-no. You don't need to use oil on your foil shaver.